Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to locate your team site in Microsoft SharePoint for Office 365 on a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, can be for work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu or go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on all applications. Go to SharePoint. Now, if you cannot see the team site that you did create in SharePoint, let's just go to search in SharePoint on the top of the screen. Let's just search for the team site that we created. Go to show more searches. And there I see the site that I did create. Click on this and now we have located the team site that was created in the previous tutorials. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.